Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we're looking at some tiny little palettes that have come out from Glam Shop. These are the two latest ones and these came before. So we've got Priestess, Moon, I've forgotten what that translates to. One second, Empress. There you go, Empress and Sun. So you can certainly still get hold of these two. These two, maybe, I'm not sure. So we'll get rid of these two first of all. So first of all, we've got quite a cool toned palette here, and it is just a lovely little neutral thing that you can take with you when you're traveling or whatever. And I just love it. This mushroom color here is so pretty. I'll just do you a quick swatch of this one. Their mattes are super creamy, by the way. Dead easy to use. Beautiful, impactful. Pale shade and then the dark brown. So you've got medium, light and dark in the mattes, and then the shimmers. This one's quite satin. As you see, just a really simple, hardly any shine, satin shade. And then we'll get to the exciting ones. And up here at the top left, you can see, oh my God, you can see the difference straight away, right? And then this one, which is the pièce de résistance probably. It's quite flaky and it's a grey. Yeah, I guess that's grey really. But how shiny. Oh, what a beautiful, simple palette. So, yeah, that one was the Moon. The other one that came out around the same time, this one is Priestess, and as you can see, it's a lot warmer. Again, 3 mattes, doesn't go as light, this one. Pretty mauve. Love that. Always, whenever I see this shade, I love it so much, but I can't wear it because it makes me look bruised. But nevertheless, I like to add in just a tad, maybe to blend out a darker shade like that one. And then the shimmers in this, these are again quite thick. Oh my God. This one's thinner in the top left. Okay, that's pink, but it's also gold. And those are just wows. Lovely. I haven't even used this yet. Okay, so those are the two old palettes. I love Glam Shop's eyeshadow so much. I have so many of their singles. It's probably obscene by now. Not that many of their palettes left, but I have bought many over the years and I still have quite a few. So it's good to add a few more to my collection. I wish that they would bring out more. They don't bring them out every 5 minutes like some brands, so I guess that's good. All right, so here, this one is the Empress. Oh my God, I have to keep thinking about it. And again, that goes from dark to light. Oh, that peach. How nice. Love. And then the shimmers, again, we've got quite a satin shade. But oh, wow. It's satiny, but it's a pretty colour. My goodness. And then this one. And then this one is also a sort of satiny shade. And then we've got the really shiny gold. Oh my goodness. Okay, those are lovely. What a gorgeous warm palette for the summertime, or any time, or even autumn, really, when you think about it. I'm getting ahead of myself. And then the Sun palette, which, I don't know, I saw that bright yellow and thought, oh, I hate it. But I do love all the other shades in here, so although I might not use that one, I'm just not keen on yellow, but nevertheless, I will certainly use these others. So let's just swatch these 3 mattes. Wow. Oh my God, that orange. The yellow. And then the warm brownish tan colour. And then this one in the bottom left-hand corner, it's a matte with shimmers. And it looks like that. You'll lose the shimmers. I mean, I can see already I've lost them. But it's nice, right? And then the only two shimmers in this palette both look fab. There's this one and this. There we go. Wow. That is beautiful. And this. Okay, that's going to stretch for days. That is gorgeous too. Now, I don't really struggle, even though I have got hooded eyes, I don't struggle with transference much or creasing. So this one is thicker than anything else. Look at what's left on my finger. Wow. And it does go for days. But if you do, then I would recommend an eyeshadow primer or a glitter glue for these two. But yeah, oh my God, this one. I really like that shade. That is so pretty. All right, so these are the new palettes from Glam Shop. Do let me know what you think about them and whether they're colour stories you enjoy. These are very warm and perfect for this time of the year. So I'll call it here and say thanks for watching. See you soon for the next one.